Good morning. Today is Wednesday, December 18th, 2024. I am here at Mandarin Holiday Marina, and this is a hull clean and zinc install and inspection video for Top Cat. Before I show you the bottom, I installed two R3 trim tab zincs. We have a measurement for the shafts, which is 1.5 inch. So it takes two 1.5 inch shaft zincs. And it looks like there needs to be a transom anode as well. I'll go ahead and get a video for that. That vent measurement is 5.5 inches by 11 inches. Thank you for choosing DS Dive.